it's Melissa. In this video, I am going to show you how to combine the power of your sublimation printer with a laser cutter so that you can make fridge magnets. So these are cut on Sublimation Hardboard, which you can see has a pretty thickness. 3 millimeters maybe. I'm not sure exactly of the thickness, but whether you have a Sawgrass or an Epson or some other type of sublimation printer, you can combine the power of these two and it is really going to open up a whole new world for you. Obviously, you don't have to make the magnets. I did for this project, and they come out, as I showed you here, very, very cute. Lots of tricks all packed into this one tutorial, including how to take what was originally a blue butterfly, turn it into a whole bunch of other colors, how to line up your cuts on your laser from your sublimation printer, how to actually apply onto sublimation hardboard, all packed into 3 minutes. Are you ready to go? Let's go. Okay, so you're going to get your design all set up in Silhouette Studio, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to make it transparent. That way you're just going to have the cut line. I like to make the cut line red so I can see it, but now you can export this whole set as an SVG, and that obviously can be used in xTool's creative space. So I'm just going to go to save, and I'm sorry this is cut off, but save selection or save whatever is in your work area, and you can save it as an SVG. You will need Business Edition, the one-time upgrade from Silhouette Studio, in order to be able to do this. So before we use this on our laser, we are then going to get ready to print. Okay, so you are going to start by printing out the sublimation transfer from your computer, obviously, to your sublimation printer. I'm using a Sawgrass SG1000. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take that piece of hardboard and you're actually going to just tape the sublimation transfer sheet onto it. So what that's going to do is it is going to stay still while you are heat pressing. So you're going to heat press this for about 60 seconds, 60 seconds at 400 degrees, and then you'll just peel the transfer off, and now you have your sublimation transfer onto the hardboard. So at this point, it is going to be time now to get ready to laser cut. So before you just put this in your laser cutter, my suggestion to you is to actually take some tape. I use 3-inch wide painter's tape just because it's 3 inches wide, covers more area, and cover your entire area. This is going to reduce that dark or smoky edge that's caused by the soot that is smoke created when you are cutting the sublimation hardboard, which is just MDF. So cover that full area, and then you are going to be ready, and you can place this into your sublimation or into your laser printer or cutter. Now what I do is I mark the very edge of where my design is on the tape, and the reason for that is once it gets into the laser, then I can see exactly where I need to place the cutting file of the printed file over top. So at this point, what I can see is that I need to place the circles exactly where you can see those 4 marks that I have there. And then you are going to be able to just send this to laser cut. And using something like Pine, to cut, those settings will work fine. This is the P2 that I'm cutting on. You can see it goes through. Now, what you'll have to do is after it's done cutting, and I obviously just sped this up, but what you're going to do is then you'll have all your circles, your magnets, and it's like kind of like a little surprise. You'll just have to peel off that tape, but you can see you get all those clean edges. And then the final piece that you want to do is just use some E6000 or something to put magnets on the back of the sublimated hardboard, and you have created yourself some really beautiful, stunning magnets. You can obviously do this in all different shapes and sizes. There you go. Looking for more tips, tricks, and hacks in Silhouette Studio? Make sure you hit subscribe, and don't forget to check out Silhouette U, which is my membership website. You can get 7 days free, one-on-one chat with me, exclusive videos that I don't put here on YouTube, and a whole lot more. Not into that? That's all right. I got the free blog too at silhouetteschoolblog.com. Thousands of free tutorials that you can check out.